Good morning, YouTube. Lion Unleashed back at you right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. It is currently mid-winter here in Grow Zone 8B, YouTube. And in this morning's video, YouTube, we're going to show you guys how we went about changing not only the structure, but the growth pattern of several of our fruit trees here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, just a quick pan around our high tunnel greenhouse here this morning. Although it is indeed mid-winter here and it's freezing outside, things continue to look fairly well here inside of our high tunnel greenhouse with most of what we are currently growing here, YouTube. But again, this morning's video is about one of our several of our fruit trees here, YouTube, that we've been growing here for about the past 8 months. Most of you guys who've been following our channel for a while know that we've been growing mango trees from seeds here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel for approximately the past 8 months. We have one mango tree that's currently 8 months old. We have three other mango tree seedlings here in our high tunnel greenhouse that are currently about 3 months old at this point, YouTube. Here about 1 month ago, YouTube, about 1 month ago, we decided that we wanted to change the structure and growth patterns on two of our mango trees here in our high tunnel greenhouse. And there was only one way that we could go about doing that, YouTube, and that's to top our mango trees in order to get, instead of straight upward growth with one main branch or one main trunk, we wanted side branches. We wanted our fruit trees to branch outwards and produce actually fruit producing branches instead of that one main center structure growing upward, YouTube. Before we I show you guys what our mango trees are currently looking like here 30 days after pruning them, topping them, YouTube. I'm going to show you, throw a few pictures up on the screen and show you guys what our mango trees look like during the growth progress, during the growth process up to this point, YouTube. And I'm going to show you guys what they look like immediately after we top them. I'm going to show you guys what they look like about a week after we top them. I'm going to show you guys what they look like about 2 weeks after we top them. Then I'm going to show you guys what they currently look like right here and right now, 30 days, YouTube. 30 days after we top our two mango trees here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back. If you've been following the video series on our growing mango trees from seeds series, you guys remember that about 3 months ago we planted a total of 3 keat mango tree seeds in 1-gallon containers, YouTube. One of those seeds germinated, and it actually was a dual polyembryonic seed, and this is what the two trees that polyembryonic seed produce are currently looking like. Take a look at this. Bam! Again, these two trees are approximately 3 months old here, YouTube, and their growth rate is slower than average because, again, the root system on this particular structure here is supporting 2 trees as opposed to supporting one plant. So both trees are indeed growing and looking well. This tree on the left is a little larger than the one on the right, YouTube, but they both are indeed looking well, although they're growing slower than the other tree from 3 months ago, YouTube. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. One of our seeds didn't germinate at all, so we actually had 2 seeds to germinate out of the 3 that we planted, YouTube. But this is what our second mango tree looks like here about 30 days after we top it, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? We went from having that one, as you can see where I topped that off down in there about 30 days ago, that little black speck down in there, That was that one main center branch that was growing upward, straight upward, YouTube. And although this tree has been growing fast, YouTube, we didn't want just straight upward growth on this plant, YouTube. We wanted our tree again to spread out and produce actually fruit-producing branches instead of that one main structure growing straight upward, YouTube. As you guys can see, as I take you guys in close, we now have a total of 3 branches in the center of our key mango tree seedling here, YouTube. We have one that's currently about 2 inches tall, one about 1 inch tall, and one just beginning to come out down there by this leaf here, YouTube. Again, 30 days after we top our key mango tree seedling, this is indeed what has happened, YouTube. That thing is spreading out. It's going to produce at least 3 fruit-producing branches instead of that one main structure growing straight up, which probably would have taken years to actually start producing side branches. We eliminated all that wait time by actually topping our key mango tree seedling, our now 3-month-old key mango tree seedling, and it is indeed looking well, YouTube. Next up, YouTube, our oldest and largest key mango tree that we named Lionheart 84. Brett, this is one for you, my friend. This is one for you, my friend. And you are indeed looking well, Brett. Here, 8 months old and 30 days after topping you, Brett. This is what you're currently looking like, my brother. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that we now have 4 side branches in the top of our 8-month-old keep mango tree here? Lionheart 84, Brett, you are looking fantastically well. We now have 4 potential fruit producing branches as opposed to that one main branch that we had there, main structure that we had there in the center that was growing straight upward. You see all these growth nodes, YouTube, and as you can see, there are no side branches anywhere down here on this structure, YouTube. We probably would have had to wait years for this tree to begin to produce its own side branches and fruit-producing branches, YouTube. But we've eliminated all that wait time by simply whacking that top out, giving it about 30 days to recover and produce new branches and foliage here, YouTube. And again, YouTube, and again, 30 days after topping our 8-month-old Heat Mango Tree, Brett, Lionheart 84, this is indeed what it looks like. From having that one main structure in the middle to having 4 potentially fruit-producing branches, YouTube. We're going to keep a close eye on Lionheart 84 here as the spring months approach. We're actually going to leave all of our mango trees in containers. We want to be able to bring our mango trees in and out of our greenhouse as necessary. When the fall and winter months begin to approach, YouTube, we won't be leaving them out in the cold to go dormant or get damaged by any weather conditions that we may encounter here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. But again, YouTube, day 30 after topping our 2 key mango trees, this is indeed what they're currently looking like, YouTube. 8 months old, Lionheart 84. You are indeed looking well, my brother. 3 months old, YouTube. We haven't named this plant yet, but if any of our subscribers have a suggestion as to what we should name this particular keep mango tree seedling here, leave a comment in the below this video and let us know, YouTube. Again, yes indeed, YouTube, growing keep mango trees from seeds right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.